No, online arbitrage is not scalable. I know a lot of people are going to be upset that I say this, but I need to say it. This business model is not scalable. I'm going to tell you why no. But first, we need to know, what does scaling means? In business, when you talk about scaling, you are talking about the fact that if you want to increase your revenue, your cost is like, your revenue increase is going to outpace your cost increase. So you will need to spend the next dollar you need to spend to increase your revenue will generate a bigger revenue growth than the last dollar you spent. Now, to be fair, I know that this is not what you mean when you talk about scaling. For you, scaling is just a word to say, hey, can I bring my business to $1 million a year? Can I bring my business to $2 million a year? And I'm going to tell you right now, yes, you can. But you need to remember this. If you want to grow your business, you will need to inject more money, which means that you will need to reinvest your revenue. All the money you make from that business, you will need to reinvest it into your business. If you take too much money out, your business is just gonna stop growing. And this is why I'm saying right now that you need to be disciplined. This business model is not scalable. You will need to inject more money. You will need to throw more money into the business for it to pay you back more money. And it's a one-to-one relationship. When you start investing more money, and actually it's not really a one-to-one relationship, because when you start having way more capital, you are not going to be able to perform at the same, get the same return on investment. So, for example, myself, I'm making around $30,000 a month, and I'm doing it with an 80% return on investment, which means that if I spend $1 in my business, I'm making around $1.80 return. After Amazon fees and stuff, I'm getting back in my pocket $1.80. No, this is because I focus on great deal. But no, when you grow, when you have $5,000 to spend every single day, this is way harder to do that, because you're gonna, if you overdo it, you're gonna deal with order cancellation. Your address is gonna get banned. This is not as easy to do, because you will need to spread your money in between more websites, more products. And this is not what I'm doing. I'm focusing on the best opportunities that I can find every single day. This is how I can get those numbers. But the day I will have more money, my average return on investment is going to go down. And for that reason, it's not scalable. However, you can make a great living doing Amazon online arbitrage. Does not mean it is not because it's not scalable that you cannot make great money for yourself. You can reach revenues of $1 to $2 million without any virtual assistant. A lot of people are doing it without virtual assistant. You just need clarity in your process. You just need to know to find profitable inventory, or to avoid order cancellation, how to prep, and you can even, I believe you can reach those numbers without having a prep center. It's going to be hard, but you can. But delegating stuff to a prep center is not that difficult. And you can definitely make a great living. So if this is the answer you are looking for, yes, you can make a great living. You can make a couple hundreds, thousands of dollars every single year in profit. You can put back in your pocket. You can reach those numbers easily. But to answer the question, is it scalable? No, it's not scalable. And if you want to reach scale, you will need to do some stuff such as wholesale. Wholesale is more scalable, because the more quantity you get, the lower your price is going to be. Private labeling is scalable, because same thing. If you contract a factory, you order a big amount of inventory, your cost is going to go down. It is just never going to be the case with online arbitrage. With online arbitrage, your variable cost is always going to be the same. It doesn't matter, your inventory cost is not going to change if you buy a bigger quantity. And this is why online arbitrage is not scalable. But if you want to learn, if you want to start your business and actually learn how to find profitable business, profitable leads to run your Amazon business, check out this other video. I'll see you in the next one.